Hello, I'm back with another solution video, but this time we are on the average round of the Math Wiz Quiz 4, which is a collegiate level math competition that I've hosted over Facebook a couple of weeks ago. For this problem, we are given that the function s of t is the arc length of the curve f of x equals x times e to the x squared in the interval 0 to t. And we are asked to find the value of s prime of 1. Now, this question isn't particularly hard, and we will just use two main concepts here. The first one is that the arc length of any function f of x is just equal to the integral of 1 plus f prime of x squared dx from 0 to t. Actually, the 0 here is a bit arbitrary. It can be any constant, which is just basically like the starting point. And then the second concept that we would need to use here is that the derivative of the derivative of an integral, let's say d dx of, or let's say d du of the integral of 0 to u of f of x dx is just equal to f of u. This is what we call the fundamental theorem of calculus. So first we establish s of t for the given curve. We are given that f of x is equal to x e to the x squared. So f prime of x by the chain rule and product rule, this is equal to x times the derivative of e to the x squared, which is itself times the derivative of the exponents, that's 2x, plus the derivative of x, which is 1 times e to the x squared. So this is f prime of x. So we have here s of t. S of t is equal to the integral from 0 to t of 1 plus this expression here. Let's just call this g for now. Let's call this g. G squared dx. Now, if we determine the derivative of s of t with respect to t, that's just s prime of t times d dt of this integral here, 1 plus g squared dx. So this becomes just the value of the integrand, 1 plus g squared, but evaluated at t. Get it? So 1 plus g squared. I'm just not writing the whole thing because it's long. Now we want s prime of 1. So this is equal to the square root of 1 plus the value of this derivative at x, or well, in this case, t is equal to 1. So this is just equal to 1 times e to the 1 times 2 plus 1 times e to the 1, which is 3e. So this is 3e squared. Therefore, the value that we want is the square root of 1 plus 9e squared. Okay, so these two principles here are important to simplify the calculations. In fact, I don't think there is another easy way to do this aside from this one. Because if you try to integrate this one, it's gonna give you a big headache because of this significantly big exponential term here, especially if you consider the square of that. So yeah, it's gonna be long. So again, the answer that we have here is the square root of 1 plus 9e squared. And that's our final answer. Thank you for watching. And if you have any comments, clarifications, violent reactions, just let me know in the comments or drop me a message. See you on the next one. Bye bye.